If alpha and beta are zeros of polynomial f of x is equal to 2x square plus 7x plus 5, then find the value of alpha square plus alpha beta plus beta square. Okay, so this is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now what is a value? 2, b value is 7 and c value is 5. Okay, now I am going to rearrange this. So if you rearrange alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta. Okay, now this of the form a plus b square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab. If I take this 2ab on the left hand side, it will become alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta from this formula. Okay, now write this alpha beta as it is. Now alpha plus beta square minus, if you subtract these two, only alpha beta is remaining. Now what is alpha plus beta? It is minus b by a. Okay, now minus b by a means how much? Minus 7 by 5. Okay, now c by a, alpha beta means, now c is how much? 5. Now sorry, a value is 2 here. Now c value is 5 and a value is 2. So here minus 7 by 2 square minus 5 by 2. Now 7 square is 49, 2 square is 4 minus 5 upon 2. So if you take LCM of this, so it will be 4, 49 minus 10, because 2 2s are 4. Fine. So final answer is 39 by 4.